Hello, my name is Kevin Gilmore with the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge office located in Salado, Louisiana. This is your weekly weather briefing for Thursday, June 3rd. Starting off with a situation overview, we've seen some scattered shower and thunderstorms for the past several days, and this will continue for the next 5 to 7 days. We'll see some better coverage primarily in the afternoon and early evening hours. And then we're going to see an increase in coverage of showers and storms, unfortunately, for your upcoming weekend on Saturday and Sunday. The main concerns here are going to be localized flash flooding and dangerous lightning. And then we'll also see some elevated tides possible on Sunday and on Monday. However, we're not expected this to become a major impact. So here we're going to lay down each threat specifically for the next 5 to 7 days. And the first thing we're going to talk about there is the severe weather risk is going to be the first row you see at the very top. We're not anticipating a major severe weather issue for the next 5 to 7 days. However, we can't rule out maybe a strong thunderstorm or two with wind gusts around 30 miles per hour, the main risk. As you see, they're also highlighted as lightning. We wanted to talk about that specifically because this is more of an elevated risk with individual thunderstorms through the rest of the next 5 to 7 days. Flash flooding, we'll see isolated threats today and on Friday, but then on Saturday and Sunday we'll see that increase just slightly up to a marginal risk, primarily from west to east on Saturday, so that's primarily in the afternoon, and then all day on Sunday, and then we'll see isolated flooding concerns continuing all the way through the rest of early next week. And just mentioned before, the coastal flooding concerns for elevated high tides on Sunday and on Monday. This will be more confined to like coastal Hancock County, areas that typically see inundation due to higher than normal tides, may see some inundation in those areas. So here's your 7-day rainfall totals, what we're expecting here for the next 7 days. Spotty showers and storms for the next 5 to 7 days with better coverage in the afternoon and evening like we discussed. Now the exact rainfall totals will vary each day depending on where storms develop. This is summertime, we get these hit or miss storms. Sometimes some people are dry, sometimes you get 1 to 2 inches of rain. So it'll be kind of varied across the region, but generally speaking, this is what we're expecting. Just be aware that we may see some isolated higher amounts in some areas that get a little bit more rain over this next 5 to 7 days. Now, specifically talking about just Saturday through Monday, so just this upcoming weekend, that's where we're going to see the bulk of the heaviest rainfall. What we're expecting right now is around 2 to 3 inches, maybe even locally higher than that. Unfortunately, if you have some plans this weekend, it's going to be a wet one, so make sure you have your umbrella and plan accordingly. And again, locally higher amounts will be possible, and we may have to deal with some localized flash flooding concerns. Now, beyond this, do we see any type of a break in the future? Not really. We're expecting this near to slightly above normal precipitation pattern to persist all the way through the next 6 to 10 days. Similar to what we've been seeing now, so we'll be seeing these afternoon showers and storms to continue, and this will help by keeping temperatures near normal across the area, similar to what we've been seeing here just the past few days. So to summarize what we just discussed, these showers, thunderstorms that we've been seeing for a while will keep on going all the way to the next 5 to 7 days. Increased coverage will be possible this upcoming weekend on Saturday and Sunday, where we will have a possibility of some localized flash flooding concerns, and with any one storm, dangerous lightning will be a risk as well. And then watching elevated tides that will be possible on Sunday and Monday. This is not expected to become a major impact. However, we could have some concerns for areas around coastal Hancock County, Mississippi. Again, areas that may typically see inundation from higher than normal tides. And that'll end it with this presentation, and I hope you have a great week and great weekend.